But we're Animal Kingdom, first thing in the morning, and Louie's all lined up to get in. Since we're not resort guests, we're just waiting. But it's probably like 7:30, I think, and we're just waiting to enjoy our day. As far as the weather, it's absolutely gorgeous, nice and cool. It's been very hot, like close to 100 degrees for the last few days, so looking forward to a nice, cool day at Animal Kingdom. So we'll catch up with you later, but until then, have a great day. And we've got 2 minutes until we go in. As you can see, there's a lot of people. A lot more way back there. We got here just after 7 o'clock, and we've been standing in line. So soon we'll be in, and hopefully we'll be in Avatar soon. So we'll catch you up then. Avatar right now, supposedly a 90-minute wait. It's moving quite quickly, so we'll see. But I mean, it's an absolutely gorgeous view. Still outside, and of course, with all the interactive stuff, the cool stuff inside as well. But it's currently probably 80 degrees, so it's a nice morning standing in a queue. So we'll see after the ride and tell you what we think. All right, we're in the queue. We've been here for about 40 minutes, give or take. And we're in the inside portion now. There's all kinds of cool painting and stuff on the ceiling, the walls. So definitely something to keep you entertained. Also, it's quite cool in here. So we didn't rope drop, like a hotel guest could. But still, getting this thing knocked out first thing in the morning before it gets hot is still a good plan. But yeah, anyways, still in line. We'll see you soon.
We had a really great time riding Avatar Flight of Passage. These are some art from inside the queue. Really nice. After this, we were hungry, so we went next door to Ratatouille Canteen. They open around 10 a.m., so this made for an early lunch for us. Jeremy and I both got the cheeseburger steamed pods with 2 orders of veggie chips instead of the slaw. They were $12.79 each. This was the first time we'd both had the cheeseburger pods, and we liked them, but wish we had more. So yeah, they're really good, but needed those chips. Mom and Dad had the popular bowls that you always see. The chili garlic shrimp bowl with a salad base and one of the vinaigrettes. There's 2 different vinaigrettes you can choose from. This is $15.49, and then the slow roasted sliced grilled beef bowl with a noodle base and one of the vinaigrettes for $14.49. Both options were very good and very filling. Next, we hung around Animal Kingdom, rode some rides, saw some shows, and then we park hopped to Epcot. So let's see what's going on.
Bring you up to speed on all that. Decided to come over to Epcot for the afternoon for their fireworks show and try and get on a few rides. But I saw they had the fountains going, so that's something new to me. Anyways, going on to Remy's. Alright, we are hopping on. We are doing this. Alright.
Everyone's comfortable. We're going to pull down on the lap bar for me. Perfect.
Thank you.
All right, you're ready for the kitchen.
All right.
Yes, dear.
Voilà, venez, venez, venez. Suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, here they are, Remy. Les invités pour le dîner.
Yes, but what to prepare? Hein? Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Vite, par ici!
Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. Neil!
Mais voici, must be perfect! Écho est en salle! Et Willy, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous?
Dépêchez-vous! Par ici! Go! Go! bienvenue chez Remy. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Oh. Au revoir.
Okay, be sure to grab all your stuff and watch your step as you exit. Goodbye.
I just got out of Remy's Ratatouille. Such an awesome ride. It's just very, very well done. If you look hard, you can figure out how it's done, but just go with it and experience the illusion that is an awesome ride. Haven't done Star Wars yet, but otherwise this is my favorite of this type of three-wheel vehicle. I think the 3D glasses help a lot with that. So, yeah, go find a snack.